everyone, I'm Raki and I'm back with another question of chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. I hope you won't have lost your interest in solving the problems regarding the NCERT. Fine. In fact, I think you have gained your interest in solving these problems as because your concepts are now clear. Fine, so let's begin with the question number 30 and it's page number 24. So let's see what the question is. What will be the mass of one carbon-12 atom in grams? We need to calculate out the mass of carbon-12 atom in grams. So let's begin with the solution. One mole of carbon-12 atom is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, which is equal to 12 grams. ठीक है? Carbon 1 mole of carbon 12 atom में how many atoms are there? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, and what is the mass? 12 grams. Thus we can say that. Thus, what we can say that? Thus 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms इसके of carbon 12 have mass is equals to 12 grams. ठीक है? अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि 1 mole of carbon 12 atom is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, and which is in a sense is equal to 12 grams, then I can say that 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon 12 have mass is equals to 12 grams. Then, therefore, one atom of carbon 12 have mass is equals to 12 grams divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, which becomes is equals to 1.9927 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. ठीक है? So what will be the mass of one carbon 12 atoms in grams? 1.9927 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. Fine. I hope the calculation regarding this question is very much clear to you. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि किस तरह से इस क्वेश्चन की कैलकुलेशन सुनी है, किस तरह से we have found out the mass of carbon 12 atom in gram form. Fine, but still if you are having any doubt, कोई भी doubt हो किसी को किसी भी point पे, then please do ask your doubts in the space given below. Well, this brings me to the end of the session, and it's me Raki saying you all goodbye.